Y'all see how little the things come up to $14.25? Oh my god, it ain't fun. Don't slide. I'm mega. These like some face gel beads thing. Very early. You know what time it is? It's 9:27. The only time I be up this early is if I gotta go to work or I have stuff to do. And today we have a whole lot of stuff to do. A little productive vlog or whatever, because we have to go wash. So as you can see in the back, there's a whole lot of stuff. So we gotta go wash. We gotta go get some washing stuff, and then I have to get some self-care stuff because I want to do a little self-care pamper video. So I just need to pick up like a couple things for the thingam, at least what I can find, because I doubt I can be able to find anything. But we got our hopes up or whatever, so we're gonna do that. So we just reached the convenience store. Okay, calm down. We just reached the convenience store and I gotta get a couple things to wash with because I don't know nothing at all. So we going in the store. Rich. So let's go. Good day. Jesus. Y'all see how little the things come up to $14.25? Little bit of stuff. The world really getting expensive. I got in and spent $10. My bill is $14.25. The convenience store I've been to is Joe's Meat and Produce. It's just a convenience store inside our area and it's very close, so anything I need I just go running now to get. So we are, oh my god, in Sunshine Laundromat. Now I gotta go get a little trolley thing. Oh, don't slide. Okay, so this is what this for, so we can push it in there. Okay. $15, please. How much? $15. For the quarters. Back in the car now. As you can see, I'm sweaty. And there I was. It wasn't hot, but because you doing so much things, it was ridiculous. I got this AC on max now. Now, let me set the time on my phone. I think I have 39 more minutes on it. Today, feeling like I'm cold enough stuff to eat, but we can see. I am hungry, so we gotta go get some food. And let me tell you how the wash house take all my money. Y'all saw the money that I get in the beginning. I still have to come in the car and get some more change. Y'all know we gotta put on some music.
Some lit for the bill, some cute for the bill.
I should get the barbecue wings for them. Hi, today can I have a 3-piece wing combo, please? Yes, ma'am. Spicy. Orange. Thank you. Thank you. So, anytime before you leave any drive-thru, always check your food. I saw this fresh chicken because I ate early. Yummy. Yummy. This is a KFC on Queen Friday. You know that Pirates have some good. Okay. Let's say you have a brand. Let's say you have a food place. I feel like although they're using processed stuff, not everywhere, but some places, not all is taste the same. It's 2 KFC what tastes the bomb. The place called, you have KFC on Queens Highway, and then you got KFC downtown. Them 2 KFC, they're fish off the wire. I don't know what chefs in them kitchen, but they be off the wires. And somebody was eating the car. So 2 to 1, by the time I reach to my destination, my belly can be done full, and I can go do what I gotta do. And my clothes should be done washed. And y'all inside that wash house, everybody's looking at me. I know this be saying, I wonder what this girl doing. In a convenience store, one girl asked me. She just was like, "But you was recording what you was doing." So you know plenty of people on TikTok wave, so she wouldn't think I'd be doing YouTube. So I tell her I do YouTube. She's like, "Oh, is it fun?" I want to start. I tell the girls start fun. Your camera is like your best friend. I was an introvert. I would talk to this camera all day. When it comes to a person, I can say my little one or 2 things. That's me. No long talk now. But anyway, I'm gonna do what this person crossing the street. Come on, man. And then acting so cute. And she didn't even want a pedestrian and want to act cute. Now we arrive at our next stop. And I know y'all see me pass this plaza a couple times. And somebody coming outside going in this spot right now. This is the Chappie. We call it Chappie's. This is basically the pharmacy. But this pharmacy is have a lot of body wash and self-care stuff and everything. So, alright, time to get some stuff for our pamper day. Alright. Let's go. Yeah. So we're inside the store now, and I saw it right here. See, they have everything what I want, but I saw these here. Oh, they lock up. These like some face gel beads thing. Maybe see some gloves. This is foliation glove. We can get that. This is sleep mask. We don't need that. This is what I come for. So I home now. This is the stuff I get at the store. So I get this spa solution face mask, and it say it's therapeutic, gel filled beads, microwave and freezer safe, ultra push. It relieves migraines, tensions, and reduce puffiness. I don't know if I have any puffiness, but it look good and cool too. So that's how it look. So I will try it out. Then I get these exfoliation gloves. This is also Spa Solutions brand, and this is just for the the scrubs and the body wash. If I would try it, because I see everybody else be trying it. Then I needed some shavers. So I get some shavers for my arm, and I get some Lady Speed Stick, that's deodorant, and then I get another Dove body wash. This one is cucumber and green tea scent. The one what I have is a shea butter and warm vanilla scent. These scrubs, these Dr. Teal scrubs, they don't play. This smells so good. This is the Rose Essential Oil Scrub, shea butter. So yeah, that's everything, and that concludes this vlog today. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because we're doing this all summer long. So thank you guys so much for watching.